Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. On the gold chart, we continue to see here the pattern play out. Okay, in the last video, which I made, I think, a couple of days ago, we saw already the price reach here the sort of Fibonacci extension levels, targets which are relevant. And I highlighted to you that we have 5 waves up complete from the 28th of February low, where we had already a 1-2 setup, and then we said, okay, this looks like a third wave to the upside could be complete. However, not the entire move up as a 5-wave move. Yeah. So for me, preferred is another high, one more high in wave 5. That's what I would need to see to get a first Elliott wave 5-wave pattern, impulse pattern to the upside complete. That would be ideal. So it's this pattern from this B wave low, a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, wave 3 to the upside, then this could now be a wave 4, and then one more high in wave 5 would be ideal in the preferred scenario. Today, the market has reached the absolute bare minimum I would like to see for a fourth wave, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. The support regions don't need to be changed. They were already communicated in the last video. The 38.2 retracement at 2,136 would be ideal for a wave 4 pullback. And the 50% fib level at 2,116 would be quite deep. So I'm focusing on the 2,136 level as ideal target. And then I would like to see somewhere in the orange region a reversal to the upside and basically one more high in wave 5 of 1. In an alternative perspective, all of wave 1 already topped, which means that I would consider this as an ABC structure in wave 1. We're now dealing with a wave 2, and then the third wave to the upside would also be an ABC structure. How come? Well, we're looking at the bigger picture. If you're new, you don't know this, but if you watched previous videos, you do know that. I consider this as an ABC structure in wave 3 because we're dealing with a larger 5-wave move in a 5th wave, which could be an ending diagonal. And this looks very much like a 3-wave move up. The wave 1 as well, which rallied in 2022 to 2023. So I'm considering this a larger ending diagonal. This is why this move up could be the C wave of wave 3. And the C wave is a 5-wave move, yeah, but can be an impulse or an ending diagonal. But the ending diagonal option is the less probable pathway, at least not the ideal pathway, and therefore I'm leaning towards the white structure. Both are bullish, however. Only a break below $2,038 would make me assume that we are going to retest here the yellow lower support region. But that's not anything I'm primarily watching for. I've got 2 scenarios. One is more directly bullish with one more high. But even then, as soon as in the white count, all 5 waves are complete, I'd like to see the wave 2 pullback then. Yeah. Whereas in the yellow count, it would happen a little earlier. And in both scenarios, a wave 2 is needed. A healthy wave 2 after wave 1 is complete. So that means in the preferred scenario, maybe, we'd like to see the price go a little lower maybe. And then what would be needed to confirm the onset of wave 5? Because as I just said, we've seen now the bare minimum of wave 4 reached here, the 23.6 fib level. I mean, counting the micro here or the nano structure is challenging. I don't think it has any predictive value really. Best I could say is that this is an A wave. This here might be B wave triangle. That's highly speculative. And then maybe a C wave to the downside in a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe one more low. But that's really micro counting and really not reliable here. Yeah. But all I want to share with you is, okay, this looks like a 3-wave move at the moment. And first indication that we have bottomed, if this is a C wave down, take that level, take the 50% fib level. So first indication that we've bottomed would be a break above $2,176. Now that's not a confirmation we've bottomed, but it's a first indication. It's the level that needs to cross so we can be watching it. Yeah, this is when we get a signal. Yeah, but not much more to add. So eventually, you know, as soon as this wave 1 is completed, we should look at this wave 2, and that could be an interesting trade setup, because then we should see a third wave to the upside, a fourth and a fifth of wave C of 3, then a deeper wave 4 pullback and another high in wave 5, which could then complete a long-term cycle. That means a larger degree correction should unfold then. But before that, I'd like to see gold reach like 2,500, maybe even a little higher. That's my update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then please check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.